Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. This smoothie is used for the improvement of brain function, low cholesterol and memory. Grapes contains minerals, nutrients and vitamins. Constant intake of it helps to reduce the risk of kidney diseases. Strawberries boost immunity and good for the eyes. It is rich in nutrients and promotes hair growth. Cinnamon improves memory. It is an antioxidant that helps to stop indigestion and stomach pains. It is also advisable to use healthy milk like almond and coconut milk. Thanks for watching and please don't forget to subscribe for more videos.